Here are some healthy liver tips to help keep your liver functioning properly. First of all is dietary change. Easy add antioxidant-rich foods like consume foods high in antioxidants like berries, leafy greens, and other fruits and vegetables. Foods like garlic, turmeric, and green tea may help support liver health. Drink plenty of water throughout the day to help flush out toxins and stay dehydrated. Limit processed foods and avoid foods high in sugar, salt, and unhealthy fats. Choose healthy fats and opt for healthy fats like avocado, nuts, and olive oil. Next step is lifestyle changes. Go in moderate intensity exercise, like brisk walking, for at least 30 minutes a day. Maintain a healthy weight because excess weight can put strain on the liver. Get enough sleep. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of sleep per night to help your liver function properly. Manage stress. Engage in stress-reducing activities like meditation, yoga, or deep breathing exercises. Limit alcohol consumption because excessive alcohol consumption can damage liver cells. Now the best supplements and vitamins for liver health are following milk thistle, as some studies suggest that milk thistle may help support liver health. Vitamin E is the antioxidant may help protect liver cells from damage. Omega-3 fatty acids, as these healthy fats may help reduce inflammation in the liver. How to avoid toxins. Avoid exposure to chemicals like pesticides, heavy metals, and cleaning products. Avoid tobacco smoke, which contains toxins that can damage liver cells. Limit use of medications, as certain medications, like acetaminophen, can damage the liver if taken in excess. Last and very important thing is to get regular checkups. Get liver function tests because regular liver function tests can help detect liver damage or disease. Consult your doctor because if you have concerns about your liver health, consult your doctor. Remember to consult your healthcare provider before making any significant changes to your diet or lifestyle. Thanks and keep watching.